Hey everyone, this is Anastasia, professional Russian language teacher, and today we will learn how to flirt in Russian, how to speak about love in Russian. So let's start. The first and the main phrase that we say in Russian is, of course, I love you. And in Russian we say Я тебя люблю. Я тебя люблю. Я тебя люблю. Guys, please be careful with this phrase because sometimes I get messages in my Instagram or somewhere else like, oh, I love you. For us, for Russians, these words are very, very strong, and we don't say it to everyone. We don't say it, very often. Sometimes we can say it to our friends, of course, our parents, but if you will say this to the girl who you know not very good, she will not believe you and she will think that you're a bit strange. So please be careful. Don't rush with these words. So you can say it maybe easily, you can say it not so strong words, you can say just ты мне нравишься, ты мне нравишься, like I like you, ты мне нравишься. That's like fine, you just showed that you like a girl and she's not afraid of you. Also, how we can say this? We can say I adore you. In Russian will be Я тебя обожаю. Я тебя обожаю. Я тебя обожаю. Let's learn how to say some compliments. Also, just 1, 2, that's enough. Don't say everything. For us, it will be also too much. We are not used, to many compliments, and we also think like, oh, maybe he's lying. So, what you can say? You can say, у тебя красивые глаза. У тебя красивые глаза. Or, у тебя красивые волосы. У тебя красивые волосы. Or, у тебя красивая улыбка. У тебя красивая улыбка. У тебя красивая улыбка. You can just say, ты выглядишь хорошо. Ты выглядишь хорошо. Please don't say that you look good today. She should understand that she always look good, but today maybe even better than yesterday. You see that I can change the order of words in Russian. I can say ты выглядишь хорошо or ты хорошо выглядишь, and it will be the same. Like you can say я тебя люблю or я люблю тебя, and it will be the same. What else we can say? Я скучаю по тебе. Я скучаю по тебе. I miss you. Я скучаю по тебе. Я по тебе скучаю. Я по тебе скучаю. Хорошо. How to ask a girl for a date? I say to girl because usually men watch these videos, I don't know why. Давай сходим куда-нибудь. Давай сходим куда-нибудь. Куда-нибудь, somewhere. If you wanna invite her in a special place, you can say, for example, давай сходим в кино. Давай сходим в кино. Or давай сходим в ресторан. Давай сходим в кафе. Ты очень красивая. Ты очень красивая. Ты очень добрая. Ты очень добрая. Ты очень интересная, веселая, талантливая. And the last phrase you can say мне с тобой хорошо. Мне с тобой хорошо. Okay, I hope that these phrases were interesting for you, and follow my Instagram or Telegram to book a trial-free consultation with me if you're interested to learn Russian with me. All information about the classes will be in the link description to this video. Have a nice day. Stay for more videos.